Welcome to the big time show. We all smoking, you should know. You're not 18 at the road, but come on back soon as you can grow. But come on back soon as you can.
I don't know, guys. What's up, YouTube? That's right, it's your boy Big Time back in the basement, man. So, needless to say, the plants is starting to kind of overgrow the 5x5 in the RDWC. So, instead of trying to move everything out and flower it in the other tent with the 420 tent, I took the 420 plants out of the 420 tent and put them over here in the 5x5 tent. So here in a second, we're gonna pull you in here and let you check these out. Definitely want you to see these RDWC plants, man. They are beautiful. Remember, man, they went almost dead, dormant, whatever you want to call it. No love, no kind of care, and come back to this. Wait until you guys see it. So real quick, I have the 3 Chad Westport no jokes that we started. Number 2, 3, and 4 are in this tent. Number 1 is in the Chronic Chatter Chronic Crew Grow, you know, the 2x4 tent, and we have 3 of them here. And then I have 3 Trico Jordan, number 23 Trico Jordans. Then a week after I flipped all those to flower, I added Ice by Royal Queen. Shout out Monkey Man Productions. He's the one that asked me, or kind of told me that that was a good strain to start at the time. So we got the Ice in here, and we also have, it's been 3 weeks since we flipped the no joke in the Trico Jordan to flower. So now I put a Falcon 9 from Exotic Genetics in here, and it's in a 5-gallon bottom water pot, and we're gonna flower it out. We're flipping it to flower tonight. So we have 6 that will be done on and smokable by 420. Shout out my boy Tazzarello. And then we have 1 that will be done a week or so later, and then another one a week or so later after that. Oh, sorry, 3 that will be done a week or so after that, because we will have the 2 RDWCs also in flower. So with that being said, give me a second. We're going to bring you in here. I'm also going to defoliate the RDWCs and kind of super crop as many as I need to, so I can keep it low enough. Some of the ones that you'll see are already done. Like I said, we're on day 19. It's not day 21, so we're still stretching with the no jokes and the Trico Jordans. But they're in a nice height. I got a couple of them that are higher than the other ones, but we're getting the right light penetration. We're getting what we need. It'll work out. It'll all work out in the end. So give me a second. We'll bring you in here and let's see what's going on. All right, here we are. We're in here with the RDWC, and these are also cuts of Trico Jordan. If you haven't watched it, go check out my video that we made of these. But here's a little bit of root porn for you. Those things look so good. Like, I'm really happy with it. What happens after what we did to these girls. Show you some root porn over here. Oh, you might not be able to see this one. Oh, it's massive. We'll bring you in here and let you see them later on. But like I said, you see we only got so much height here, and these plants are gonna really stretch. Like, this one's massive. This is so big. Look at these leaves. Let me pull that leaf off of there. Look at the size of that leaf. Like, that's right. That's your boy Big Time behind that leaf. Huge. And these are cuts of cuts. Okay? Man, they're so nice. But yeah, there they are. Bring you in here in a minute after I do this quick defoliation and lollipop here. I'm going to take this stuff off the bottom of the plant, get that out of here, and you guys will be right back. Thanks for sticking around.
Yeah, we deep underground. Green dreams all about RDWC running no drought, no doubt. Trico Jordan step and flip the switch, no choke. On your guard is glowing, man, the whole room loose soap. Big time buzz, straight up in the basement. Nothing but clouds, higher elevation. Green gold glisten, that's dedication. From the seed to the smoke, got that cultivation. Lights hang low like chandeliers in a crib. Growing sticky icky, yeah, that's the biz. Hydroponic system, brews swimming in the stew. Resin covered branches, man, we breaking through. Big time buzz, straight up in the basement. Nothing but clouds, higher elevation. Green gold glisten, that's dedication. From the seed to the smoke, got that cultivation. Bow goes for the free, homie, coming copper zone. No knocking up on doors, man, the spot unknown. Creeping low key, keeping things super tight. Green giants in the making, growing day and night. Flipping clones like chefs, flipping flapjacks. CO2 tank flow, giving plants them slabs. Canopy, reaching high like a forest on Mars. Basement growers living like green movie stars. Lights hang low like chandeliers in a crib. Growing sticky icky, yeah, that's the biz. Hydroponic system, brews swimming in the stew. Resin covered branches, man, we breaking through. Big time buzz, straight up in the basement. Nothing but clouds, higher elevation. Green gold glisten, that's dedication. From the seed to the smoke, got that cultivation. Free, homie, coming copper zone. No knocking up on doors, man, the spot unknown. Creeping low key, keeping things super tight. Green giants in the making, growing day and night. Flipping clones like chefs, flipping flapjacks. CO2 tank flow, giving plants them slabs. Canopy, reaching high like the forest on Mars. Basement growers living like green movie stars.
Here you go. This is our 2 cuts of Trico Jordan RDWC. This will be, well, tomorrow will be the first day of flowering. We just defoliated and did a light lollipop down there on the bottom of that one. The same with this one back here, but I left some on there because there's a couple cuts I want to get off, so we'll get a couple cuts off of hers. Very beautiful girls. If you haven't watched the video, please go watch the video. They really went through a rough time. It was a rough time coming. But yeah, there you go, your boy. Big time. In the basement. RDWC. Athena Pro. Let's go. Can immunity. Alright, right here we got the Ice by Queen Royal. She is a week behind the No Joke and the Trico Jordan 23. This is our 5x5 complete grow set. The water is green over there because I left it lay for a couple days, but that's not coming from our bucket. So don't worry about that, we'll get that cleaned out. But that's how fast algae grows. That's how fast it grows, so be careful. That's only a couple days old. My basement floor gets wet, and this is laying on the floor, so keep that in mind too. But yeah, No Joke, Chad Westport, stacking up really nice. Day 19 of flower. We will be smoking on 420 these flowers. Shout out Chad Westwood. If you haven't voted, go vote for that guy. He deserves it. But those are 3 no jokes. Day 19, they're pretty much done with the stretch. Maybe a little more stretch, but definitely stacked up real nice. Very healthy. I did split her in the middle. Look at that. Imagine that. Big time always messing with shit. And then our Trico Jordan, number 23. She is a beaut. Doing very well. Also day 19 of flower. They're all starting to get some nice frost on them. Another one, Trico Jordan. That is our Falcon number 9 from Exotic Genetics. She's gonna be a monster. That's why I got her all super cropped. See how I got her broken over and stuff? That's gonna help that stretch because I only have about 1.5 foot I can use. Like I said, these ones are pretty much done with the stretch. Here's the other Trico Jordan. The node spacing is perfect on these plants. Like this one's a little more separated than the no jokes. See how tight those no jokes are? But not much different than the Trico Jordan. All right, it's your boy Big Time in the basement. If you haven't done it already, smash that like, subscribe, and share. Give a shout out to the community. You guys know the drill. Let's fucking grow. Can immunity all day.